Hello and welcome to another update video about Quant. QNT has reacted to our support area again. It did that already here on the 13th of December, made another lower low, but did never break our support region, so the setup is still very much valid. We have, off the October low, a potential 5-wave move to the upside. Pretty ugly, but it is a valid 5-wave move to the upside. Certainly the wave 1 is tiny. It often is in the crypto space. The wave 3 is long. It often is in the crypto space. And what I don't like so much is that the wave 4 looks quite deep. But to be honest, it never broke the 50% fib level. Slightly broke it, indicating weakness. That's what I don't like so much. But it's acceptable. Okay, so I have a wave 1 to the upside. I've got a wave 2 that already reacted to our support area, did lead to a successful trend reversal. Then we said, okay, look, we can count another 5-wave move to the upside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So is that another 5-wave move? Is that wave 1 of the larger degree third wave? Yeah, possibly. So that's why I gave you another support area. Price dipped into this quite a healthy way actually, and now seems to move out of it. However, now to really confirm a breakout, I need to see the price break above that wave 1 high. It's pretty much at around $121.20. Broadly, $120, $121. It's that red resistance zone that the price needs to get above. I think that could really lead to a change on the QNT chart. That would be quite bullish to get above that level, get that breakout. Highest price basically since, you could say, April. Yeah, so that's what we want to see. We want to see that sustained breakout. I already tried it here on the 9th of December. And when QNT goes, it can go quickly. Hasn't really done much in the recent weeks, but it tries. It's trying, and I think the levels are clear. Support is still clear, so if we dip back into the support area, it's still acceptable as a wave 2. Yeah. The point is that we are looking for a third wave rally, and that is sort of a reliable, well, let's say it is a reasonable expectation, as long as the 78.6 retrace level is holding. That's at $99.96. If I draw the Fibonacci extensions, then we've got here a wave 1. We have that wave 2 pullback. And then minimum I would like to see in a third wave is here $139. Better would be 143 or even 152 for that third wave. We know from experience that QNT, at least in the past, has extended third waves quite a bit. So that might not even be long enough for an extension. I just want to make you aware very clearly, but that's not something you can predict. It's just something we can prepare for. But if it actually shows that crazy extension, I mean, first of all, it needs to break above 120. It hasn't even done that, or 121. So could easily be that we are moving around here, for a little while before we do the breakout. But when the breakout happens, it could be really strong. At least that's what happened in the past on the QNT chart when we had rallies. You see, I mean, typically that's what cryptos do, but QNT likes to do those crazy extensions here as well. Yeah, so that's what we're looking for next. I think levels are pretty clear. It's just been a bit boring around QNT for the last few days and weeks, but they are one after the other. One after the other, the coins are starting to move, so it's worth observing that. Well, what we can identify here as well is potentially an ascending wedge or price channel, so just be mindful of that. But these often tend to break even to the upside in a bullish market. So I don't even pay too much attention to them, because normally you would say, okay, that looks a bit like a bearish pattern or whatever. But yeah, I mean, they often break to the upside in a bullish market. Now, what I cannot rule out is that this is turning into some kind of a, 1 second, actually, just wanted to change here the line thickness and make it a dotted line. Now, what I cannot rule out is that this is forming whatever, some kind of a strange diagonal pattern. It doesn't really look good as a diagonal, but it could form one here if it stretches further slowly within this price channel. But in this impulse, if it's really an impulse here, it should break to the upside shortly. That's what I'm observing. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.